My name is Kayan Gadwal and you are watching Kayan Gadwal Art. So guys, as you told you how to draw the outline of this word in the last video, have you watched that? Okay, watched? Come back to this video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to shade it like a professional. So without wasting time, let's start. As you can see that I have converted this image into black and white and now it is ready to shade. So guys, first I am using HB pencil to give it a base shade. Yeah, now we need a tissue paper to blend it. You can use blending stumps or brushes. Guys, as you can see that we have given it a quite good look. Now I am adding some depth with this only because when you see the image we can see that the main color of body is very light, and as you can see that my strokes are with each other and not far away. You also need to do it because it will only enhance your shading. Make sure that your shading and lines are in a uniform motion. And I will again blend it, but I will use paper stumps because it is more finer details. Now I will use 2B pencil to enhance the darkness. And then I will blend it. Now I will use a kneadable eraser to get the highlights. Now, to get more finer details, I am using an electric eraser of Livin. Guys, if you want its review, then you can comment down below. Now, I am shading the darker parts. Guys, now I will use a paper stump or paper blender to blend it. Guys, make sure that your blending is in a uniform motion. Guys, to increase the darkness in some areas, I will use a 6B pencil. Some touch-ups with the HB pencil. You can use mechanical pencil for the eyes and beak and all the details. Now, with the help of a kneadable eraser, I am adding some highlights on its beak. And then the legs. And for the final touch-up, I am using electric eraser to highlight its eyes and some other areas. And yeah, we have done it. In the next part, I will tell you how to shade the background and the stem. So guys, as you can see that we have done it. Now in the next part, I am going to tell you how to shade the stem and the background. Until that, first like, share, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. And bye.